Fine, good afternoon to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing well. So I hope by God's grace you all are safe. So pray to God daily for your health, your strength, your studies, your parents and your environment. Okay students? So warm greetings to you all students. Welcome to our today's online class. Okay. So now we are studying about chapter 5, isn't it? So what's the title of your chapter students? Working with Windows operating system, isn't it? So in this chapter you are studying how you need to work with Windows operating system. So this chapter already have studied one very important 5-mark question, isn't it? Which important 5-mark question you have studied? Versions of operating system, isn't it? So yesterday you have studied about what do you mean by desktop, what do you mean by drive icons, isn't it? So today you are going to study about window. What do you mean by window? Okay. So in a computer, what do you mean by window? Okay. So it's a typical rectangular area. For example, so you are going to open one, for example, Word file or Paint or anything. Okay, maybe PowerPoint or anything. If you are going to open something, so it will be displayed in a rectangular screen. Okay. So consider this. So I am opening this as a PowerPoint. Okay. So PowerPoint have you seen means see this area is displayed in which rectangular area. So this also we can call this a what? Window. Okay. So this is a PowerPoint presentation. It's a one of the typical rectangular area. So in which you can able to open the application or any document. So here I am opening PowerPoint presentation. So this is which kind of application? PowerPoint application. Okay. So if you are seen means see in this rectangular area only I can able to display the contents. Whether I can able to display the contents outside of this rectangular area or outside of the screen? No, isn't it? So whatever you need to display, all the things you need to display inside what? This rectangular area, that is called window. Understood what do you mean by window? So it's a rectangular area. So in which you can able to display. So whatever application you are opening, that application, that's a one rectangular area or a particular application or document or whatever maybe. Okay. So inside that area you can able to display the contents. Okay, understood? Okay. So next one is application window. So application window means listen. Okay. So here it is also just like a rectangular window, but this window will have some boundaries. Okay. So this windows will have what? Some boundaries. So inside the boundaries only you can able to open or you can able to type or you can able to do anything. So outside the boundaries you cannot able to do. Okay. So such a kind of application windows you can able to listen, resize, maximize, minimize. Okay. So what are the things I will explain the last. Listen carefully. So listen. So this is the application window. So what's the application window? So application window, whatever things if you need to display means all the things you need to display within the border. Have you seen? This is the border. So inside this border alone only you can able to display the all the things. Okay. So in these things, what are things will be there? What are the elements are present inside? You can able to see. Have you seen this one? 3 buttons. So this 3 buttons we are calling as a window control button. Okay. So what's the name of this button? Window control button. So have you seen minus then square into. So what's the use of minus means you can able to minimize. If you click this button means automatically it will minimize. Then maximize means if you click this button means it will maximize. I will show now. Listen. So into mark means if you click this button means it is automatically will close. Understood? Okay. So here listen. So here inside this have you seen that white color portion? So inside this white color portion only you can able to type or edit or anything. So this area we are calling as an what? Application area. Understood? Listen carefully. So and also here this area or this application window have 2 bars, that is scroll bar. See, vertical scroll bar and horizontal. What's the use of this one means you can able to move down to or up to down. Okay. So this I will show now. Listen carefully. So listen carefully. So now I am opening one Word file. Okay. So now I am opening one Word file. Okay. So in this Word file only I said see. So this one we are calling as a boundaries. Okay. So this white color area we are calling as an what? Boundaries. So our application area. So inside this area only here you can able to type anything or you can able to edit anything. Okay, so listen. So here already I said control buttons. How many control buttons are there? 3, isn't it? So what are the control buttons? Maximize, minimize. Listen carefully. See. Have you seen these 3 buttons? Minimize, maximize and close. So what's the use of minimize means? Listen carefully. So once I click this button, see. So if I am clicking this button means automatically. So listen, if I am clicking that minus button means automatically it will minimize and it will store in this area. Understood? Have you seen here the word file? Yes. So again if I am clicking this one, that rectangular symbol is there. No? Again if I am clicking this one means it will maximize the screen. Understood? So next also I said, so 2 kinds of bars. What are they? Horizontal bar and, well, see. So this is the, if I press and drag means it will move from up to down. Okay. So likewise down also it will be there. You can able to move from here and there. Understood what do you mean by application? Understood what do you mean by application area and application window? Okay. So listen. So next, in the application window, they are telling like this application. What are the applications you can able to open like this? Bird, paint. So now I showed on example. No, that's a word. Okay. So likewise paint, whatever maybe you can able to open. Okay. So listen. Next, they are telling when you are opening one or more windows. Okay. When you are opening one or more windows. See this picture. How many windows? This is called windows. I said no. This rectangular area we can call as a window. So here how many windows or how many screens are there? 3, isn't it? So likewise if you are opening more than one mean, so listen carefully, at a time. Okay. So which page or which screen you are clicking, that page is active now. Okay. So rest of the pages we can say as inactive. Understood? So each and every page I am opening 3 things. Listen. So 3 things, this is called overlap. What do you mean by overlap? So one among another. So you are opening 3 screens, 3 or 4 or 5, whatever may be. So which screen you are clicking at that time, so that screen is active at the first. Okay. Then remaining all the things are inactive. Okay. So this appearance of multiple windows we can call this what? Overlapped. Understood what I mean by overlap? Okay. So listen carefully. So in my system I am opening 2 screens. Have you seen? So 2 windows. So 2 windows. So more than one window I have opened. So this one we can call this what? Overlap. So now I am clicking here. So which window is active now? This first window is active now. So now I need to work with second window. So for that I am clicking second one. See. So which place I am clicking, that window will be active and next window will be inactive. Understood what do you mean by overlapped windows and what do you mean by active and inactive windows? Okay. So next one is the document window. So application window you have studied same only. So document window means some same word file you have seen. So this white color portion. So inside this area only you can able to type. So this is a word file. So have you seen this white color portion? So inside this white color area only you can able to type, edit or delete or anything. Okay. So this inside this section we are calling as an what? Document window. So application means this entire thing, this boundary, everything, entire thing only we are calling as a not application window. But document window means inside the window the area which is provided for doing work. Maybe it's a typing. Painting means you can able to paint there. Typing means you can able to type there. Okay. So in which portion they are giving or allocated for you for doing work, that is called one? Document window. Okay. So this word file is mainly used to what? Type a document. Understood? So see here. So already have studied 3 control buttons. What are the 3 control buttons? Minimize, maximize and close button. So if you are clicking this red color symbol means automatically the file will get closed. Okay. So have you seen the blue color thing? That is called, that and all you will study later. Okay. So this area we are calling as an application window. That's a border area. Okay, so inside this one, this white color area we are calling as which window? Document window. So okay, this window. Then inside this portion you are typing, no, that area is called document area. Only the border, that is boundary or border you are calling as application window. The remaining all the things you are calling as a document window. The area you are using for typing, that is called what? Document area. Okay, so and also 2 types of rulers are there. See the numbers. So based on that you can allocate the line arrangement or anything. That's called ruler. Just like a scale. Understood? Okay. So next one is elements of window. So now you are going to study detailed about elements of window one by one. Okay, elements means nothing but in that screen what are things will be present that we are calling as an elements. Okay, first one is title bar. Okay, so what's the use of title bar mean? So it will display the name of the application. So which in your application have which name? So already you have saved the name, is with that name the file will be open. Okay, so title bar always is used to display the name of the application, which name you are saved, that name it will open. So and also it will have three buttons. What are the three buttons? Minimize, maximize and close button. Okay, see this diagram. So this blue color, have you seen this blue color portion at the top, this line? So this line we can call as a which bar? Title bar. Understood? So title bar, what are the details will be there? Name of the document. So if you are not giving any name means, so the default it will shown as untitled. Is it visible? So first one. So if you are not giving any name means default it will shown as what? Untitled. That means you are not giving any title. So after saving, if you are giving some name means that name will be displayed in this portion. Okay, so this bar we are calling as which one? Title bar. Okay, so this title bar will contain how many buttons? Three buttons. What are they? Minimize, maximize and close. Understood? What's the first element? Very, very important question. Elements of a window. What's the first thing? Title bar. So title bar, what are the details will be there? Name of the file. So in which name you are opening? That name of the file. Then control button. What are the control buttons? Minus, that is minimize, maximize and close button. Understood? Okay. Then listen. Next one is menu bar. So first thing over, first one. The next one is menu. So under the title bar, next to the title bar, next that blue color portion is called what? Which bar? Menu bar. Okay. So there lot of menus are there in the particular thing. That in the menu bar lot of menus will be there. Okay. So how you need to open or how you need to access the menus means by pressing Alt key in your keyboard. You need to press which key? Alt key and letters that appear underlined. That means a lot of menus are there. File menu, edit menu, view. Like this lot of menus are there. If you need to open file menu means you need to press Alt F. That's the first letter of the word. Okay, then automatically open. Then edit menu means Alt E. Okay, so that's a short form or shortcut. Okay, so otherwise you need to press F10. So F10 if you are pressing means always the first menu present in the menu bar will open. Okay, so listen carefully. So here already have studied, this is called which bar? First thing is a title bar, isn't it? So next to the title bar, which bar you have studied now? Menu bar. Have you seen this one, that yellow color box they have given in a bold letters? Have you seen? So this bar we are called as which one? Menu bar. Okay, so menu bar always will be found or presented next to that, there under the which bar? Title bar. Okay, so in the menu bar what are the things will be there? Inside this menu bar lot of menus will be there. So what are the menus? See, file menu, edit menu, view, insert, format, table, tools, window, help. So these are the menus. Okay, so if you are clicking this file menu means there lot of options will come. If you are clicking the edit menu means there also lot of options will come. Likewise each and every menus have lot of options. Okay, what's the shortcut I said? So Alt, for example, if you need to click the file menu, so Alt F you need to press. E means Alt E. So if you are pressing F10 means automatically the cursor will move to the first menu. That's the file menu. Understood what I mean by the menu bar? Okay. So next one is listen. So sometimes some systems there is a no menu bar. While you are opening that application window, your menu bar will not be displayed. Okay, so when you are not getting the menu bar in your application, what you need to do? Understood? Listen all shortcut things. Listen carefully. When you are not getting the menu bar in your application means what you need to do means you need to go inside my computer. Okay, you need to go inside where? My computer. Okay, so inside the my computer, have you seen this and all we can call as a menus. So inside that you need to select organize. Understood? Inside that you need to select which one? Organize. Okay. Then inside this organize option, if you are seeing layout will be there. Okay. So inside this organize, which one will be there? Layout. Then inside the layout, so if you have an arrow mark there, if you keep this mouse pointer means what are things will be there that it will display. So inside this layer if you are giving means So what are the options will be there? Menu bar, details, span, preview. So among this, which one you need, that one you need to click. Understand? Which one you need to click? Menu bar. So for example, menu bar is not present in your application means. So where you need to go? So inside my computer, you need to click the organize options. So inside this organize, we need to select which one? Layout. So under the layout, you need to select which one? Menu bar. Here you need to click something. So the tick mark will be there. That menu will be displayed in your screen. Understood, students? Okay. So if you are not getting the menu bar in your application, is where you need to go? You need to go inside Windows 7, then, so not Windows 7, my computer, then you need to select which one? Organize. Then from inside the organize, you need to select which button? Layout. From the layout, you need to select which one? Menu bar. Understood? Okay. So next one is the workspace. Okay, what's the next thing? Workspace. Okay. So workspace means the area provided for you to doing work or doing editing or typing or painting, whatever may be. Okay, what do you mean by workspace? So the area in the document to enter the type or text. So here which area you will type? This white space area or this white color area. So which one is for workspace here? This is called workspace now. Understood? Next one is the scroll bars. So already I said how many scroll bars are there? Two. What are they? Horizontal and vertical. What's the use? So if you are using this bars, you can able to move here and there. So if you are drag means here it will move from up to down. Here also here. Okay. So next one is corners and borders. So what corners and bottom, have you seen this arrow mark? So here how many corners are there? 4 corners. Okay. So borders means this line. Okay. This line we are calling as what? Borders. So what's the use of this corners and borders means you can able to drag and resize, that I'll show. So you can able to move. Drag and resize means you can able, as per your wish you can able to maximize, as per your wish you can able to minimize. Drag and resize. Okay, so when you will need to drag this mean when you are keeping the mouse pointer here, at that time the pointer, that mouse pointer head will be changed to a double sides arrow. Okay, once you are keeping the mouse pointer here, at that time your mouse pointer will change to which one? Double headed arrow. Okay, so once the double headed arrow you find out means you can able to resize the screen. You can able to drag from up to down or down to up. Understood? This I will show in example. Listen. See this is a word file. Okay. So which one is the corners? These 4 corners are there, isn't it? So this one we can call this a border. See, if you are keeping the mouse pointer here, have you seen mouse pointer here? Otherwise, if I am keeping here means how it will display? A single pointer, isn't it? But if I am keeping this end corner means how it will display? Double-headed arrow. Have you seen double-headed? So how I need to do means press the mouse button and I can able to drag. This is called resize, drag and move. Okay. So same way if I am keeping like this end means also it will move to automatically which double-headed arrow. So by clicking this means I can able to drag and resize. This is called drag and resize. Understood what you mean by drag and resize? Okay. So next one is start menu. Okay. So start menu means in a computer if you are seeing mean at the lower, if you are installing Windows 7 in a system means at the lower end if you are seeing means so one star like symbol will be there. This is called start menu. Have you seen this one? This is called which menu? Start menu. Okay. So if you click this start menu means you can able to see lot of menus. See, if you click this start menu means you have seen lot of menus will be displayed. That means what are the applications you have installed in your computer, all the applications will be displayed here. If you click the start menu, all the applications will be displayed here. Okay, so here what MS Office, Paint, VLC, likewise lot of applications are there. So likewise if you are clicking the start menu means you can able to see lot of application. So listen, this symbol is called start menu. Above the start menu if you are seeing means one box will be there. So that box is called search box. Okay, so here lot of applications will be there. So you are feeling very tough to find the application. At that time you can able to type the name of the application here and press the enter button means that application will be displayed. That's the use of search box. Understood? That's the use of search. What's the use of search box? Search box is mainly used to type a name here and you can able to search anything. Understood? Search box. Okay, then so here in this arrow mark symbol if you are seeing means you can able to see list of programs. So what are the programs you have installed? All the programs you can see in where? Inside this list. Understood? Okay. Then have you seen means if all the application near to the application you have seen a black color small symbol or small arrow symbol. So what's the use of this symbol means this symbol will indicate, for example, if you are clicking this means what are the word file will be there. All the word files are displayed here. Understood? That's the use of which one? This symbol. Okay, so in this area, this is the set. What are the icons will be present in the my computer? All the things will be displayed here. What are the help and support? If you are clicking means it will show help and support. Then control panel you can able to change the settings. My computer means my computer option will open. Okay, then here shutdown button will be there. So there are three options. Have you seen this arrow mark? If you click there means three options will be there. Log off, restart and shutdown. Okay, so if you are clicking shutdown means your system will get shut down. So log off means for example 5 minutes they log off means 5 minutes it will log down that one. Restart means once again it will restart. Understood students? So today up to this enough I think it's so. So what are things today you have studied? Elements of a window you have studied. What are the windows? Application window, document window and elements of a window. So and start menu you have studied. Okay, so these are very basic things. So this by if you are studying thorough, this one means are reading thorough, understand the concept means only you can able to work in your system. So just read it, that's enough. Okay students, so please that elements of a window question very important. So please study well that question. Okay students, take care well, thank you.